Feeling the sting of a declined message when you desperately need a little financial breathing room? You're not alone. In an age where instant access to funds seems to be everywhere, it can be incredibly frustrating, even confusing, when a service like Beforepay, designed for quick cash advances, turns you down. We've all been there, those moments when an unexpected bill pops up, where you just need to bridge the gap until your next paycheck. Beforepay, with its promise of early access to your earned wages, seems like the perfect solution. So, when that decline notification flashes, it's not just a rejection of a transaction, it's a disruption to your immediate financial plans, leaving you wondering, why me? Many of us mistakenly think these pay-on-demand services are a guaranteed handout, but the reality is they operate with their own set of criteria, much like a traditional lender, albeit with a focus on your income and spending habits rather than a credit score. The very premise of Beforepay is to provide advances based on your earned wages, which means they need to verify that you actually have wages coming in, and that those wages are consistent enough to repay the advance. So, let's peel back the layers and understand the common reasons why Beforepay might decline your request. One of the most frequent culprits is insufficient or irregular income. Beforepay typically requires a consistent income stream, usually paid into a bank account that they can connect to. If your income fluctuates wildly, if you're newly employed, or if your primary income isn't deposited directly into your linked bank account, Beforepay might not have enough data to confidently assess your repayment ability. They need to see a pattern of reliable earnings to ensure you can pay back the advance without issues. Another significant factor is your banking history. Beforepay analyzes your transaction data from your linked bank account. They're looking for stability. Frequent overdrafts, a high number of declined transactions, or a history of low account balances can signal financial instability, making you a higher risk. They want to see that you're managing your money responsibly and have enough left over after your regular expenses to cover the advance. This isn't about judging your past, but rather about predicting your future ability to repay based on your habits. It's also crucial to consider existing loans or commitments. If your bank statements show a significant portion of your income is already going towards other loan repayments, credit card bills, or other debt obligations, Beforepay might determine that you have insufficient disposable income to comfortably repay in advance. They don't want to put you in a worse financial position by approving an advance you can't afford. Similarly, having multiple small advances from other similar services could also raise a red flag, indicating potential over-reliance on such services. Finally, technical glitches or incorrect information can sometimes be the issue. Double-check that all your personal and banking details are accurate and up-to-date in your Beforepay profile. A simple typo in your bank account number or an expired ID could lead to a decline. Also, ensure your bank account is fully linked and Beforepay has the necessary permissions to access your transaction history. Sometimes, a temporary issue with their system or your bank's connection can also cause a decline. If all else fails, reaching out to Beforepay's customer support can provide specific insights into your individual situation. Understanding these common pitfalls can help you troubleshoot why you might be declined and potentially improve your chances for future approvals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.